Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking for an easy way to keep your fridge shelf clean and organized? Let's unbox the EVA Fridge 5 meter EVA Fridge Mat roll and see if it is worth it. Inside the packages you get a 5 meter clear EVA Fridge Mat roll. The material feels sturdy, lightweight and flexible, making it easy to work with. So my first impression, the diamond texture looks premium, gives a good anti-slip grip, and since it's transparent it blends nicely with my fridge or cabinet without changing the look. Installing it is really simple. Measure yourself, cut the mat to the right size and place it in position. No glue, no extra tools needed. It keeps bottles and container from sliding around, protects the shelf from scratches when there's spills, and just wipe it clean. And it also washable and reusable, which makes it perfect for daily uses. So guys, it's not just for the fridge. You can also use it in kitchen, cabinet, drawer, wardrobe and storage shelf. So one roll has multiple uses around the home, and after using it I really like how easy it is in install and clean, reuse. It's a simple product that help keep my fridge looking neat every day. And if you are planning to organize your kitchen, this is definitely worth checking out. Click the link below to learn more, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow for more home organization. Bye until then, bye, take care guys. And if you want to purchase this product, then actually link is in the description box.